This Aqua Crest LG filter set is legit. It is NSF certified. It meets all the requirements you need to make sure that your fridge is well filtered. The coconut shell carbon filter will last you about 200 gallons, or usually you just change it every 6 months, so you are solid. Something I really like about these is they have this twist top, and there you can see inside, that is where the water will both go in and out as it flows through the filter inside and gives you that filtered water. The reason I like it is once you're done, you can twist that back on the old filter so it doesn't dump a ton of water into your trash can as they're known to do. Now, these are the side fridge filters, and these are fantastic too. With that coconut carbon filter, it's going to keep the air in your fridge clean of any hazards and smelling good. That is the main piece. It will keep any odors out of your fridge, keep it clear. Now, it also comes with very easy instructions on how to install these and any warnings you need to know. Mostly just make sure you twist them in all the way. And I really appreciate that this is a full set of 3 water filters and 3 air filters. Just be sure to change out your air filter when you change your water filter and you're good to go. An excellent set.